Assalamu alaikum. Today we will solve exercise 31.1. So here the question says find the gradient of these lines. We know that gradient means rise over run. Gradient means rise over run. So right now, how can you solve it? The formula for rise is y1 minus y2 and the formula for run is x1 minus x2. Or we can use another formula that is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Any formula we can use. So this 0 at number A, this 0 represents 0, 0. That is the origin. Okay. So what will be the gradient here? Here gradient will be, you know that y1 minus y2. That means 4 minus 0 because this one is x1, this one is y1. Okay. And if this one is x2, y2, x2, y2, then we can say y1 minus y2, 4 minus 0 divided by 7 minus 0. So what will be the final answer? It will be 4 by 7. At number B, this 5 represents the coordinate of this point will be 0, 5 and this one will be 2, 0. Then what will be the gradient here? Gradient will be y1 minus y2. That means 5 minus 0 by x1 minus x2, 0 minus 2. So what will be the final answer? 5 divided by minus 2. This is the gradient of question number B. Now question number C, what is the gradient? We need to find out this point. This point will be 0, 3. Then what is the formula? y1 minus y2. So 5 minus 3 divided by 10 minus 0. 5 minus 3 will be 2 and 10 minus 0 will be 10. So after dividing 10 by 2, you get 5. So answer will be 1 by 5. And that is the solution of 1C. I hope you understand this part properly. Now, question number 2. Calculate the gradient of the line joining each of these pairs of points. So here the question A says 1, 5 and 3, 5. So at first we will say this one is x1, this one is y1, this one is x2, this one is y2. Then what is the formula of gradient? Gradient says y1 minus y2 by x1 minus x2. Here y1, y2, 5 minus 5, x1, 1, x2, 3, 1 minus 3. So 5 minus 5 will be 0, 1 minus 3 will be minus 2. So 0 by some number will be 0. That means 0 by minus 2 is 0. Similarly, if I want to solve number B, that will be minus 1, 1 and 3, 2. So 1 is y1, 2 is y2. So 1 minus 2 divided by x1 minus x2. So minus 1 minus 3. Minus 1 minus 3. So this is the gradient. After calculating, we will get the final answer minus 1 by minus 4. What is the final answer? It will be 1 by 4. Okay. Now number C. Number C says y1 minus y2. So 6 minus 4 divided by minus 2 minus 0. 6 minus 4 will be 2. Minus 2 minus 0 will be minus 2. After dividing, we will get negative 1. So here, the gradient of question number C, that is minus 2, 6 and 0, 4 will be minus 1. I hope you understand this question properly. Now, question number 3A. This is the decimal related problem. Same way, y1 minus y2. So 3 minus minus 9. 3 minus minus 9. x1 minus x2. So 0.6 minus 3.6. Now, 3 plus 9 will be 12 and 0.6 minus 3.6 will be minus 3. Okay. So 12 by minus 3 will be minus 4. Okay. Very simple. Number B, 2.4. Number B, 2.5, that is x1, 4 is y1, x2, y2, then y1 minus y2. So we can write 4 minus 4.9 divided by x1 minus x2, that is 2.5 minus 3.7. So 4 minus 4.9 will be 0.9 minus 0.9. 2.5 minus 3.7 will be minus 1.2. Or instead of this one, we can write 9 by 12 or 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 will be the final answer of question number B. Now question number C, what will be the gradient of question number C? Y1 minus Y2, so 7 minus 2.2. 7 minus 2.2 divided by x1 minus x2. So 2.5 minus 4. So 7 minus 2.2, that will be 4.8. And 2.5 minus 4 will be minus 1.5. Okay. So we will get minus 48 divided by 15. After dividing 48 and 15 both by 3, we can write 3 16s are 48, 3 5s are 15, or minus 3 whole 1 by 5. Okay, very simple. So this is the solution of question number 3. In this way, we can easily complete this chapter. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you soon on the next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz, family.